YouTube channel Code and Chunks. So today we will continue our exception handling in Python. So yesterday we saw that what is exception. So suppose I have a variable that is result in which I want to store the result that is 10 divided by 0. So if I will run that, it will give me an error, 0 division error. We handle that by try and except. So I will apply try, and if I am using try, so I need to apply at least one except or finally. So yesterday we saw except. If I will use except and I will handle the error, 0 division error, and I will print the message, number can't 0. Okay, so this is handled. Now today we will see finally and else. So firstly, I will show you finally block. So finally, block will always execute. Always execute means except will execute when you will got the error. So finally will execute if you are getting error or not. It does not matter. So this will execute always. So now if I am dividing that by 0, so this is the error. You can see first message I got, number cannot be divided by 0, and second message I got, this will be execute always. So if I will divide that by 2, so this is not error. So except will not execute, but still finally will execute. So you can see that finally is executing always. If I have error or not, it does not depend. Like that I can discuss else. So what is else? I will execute in normal flow. So else will execute in normal flow. Normal flow means when you are not getting error. So firstly, if I am getting an error, so you can see except is executing and finally will executing. So I can mention here finally else. Except. So now if I will run that again, so you can see except and finally is executing. Now I will do that. So except will not execute, only else and finally will execute. Why? Because this is a normal termination. So else will execute and finally will always execute when you have error or not, does not matter. So you can see in the normal execution, else is executing and finally is executing. So finally will execute with both. When will not have any error. Exception time. So I have written the description also. It will help you. So just practice that. Thank you for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel.